Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your data is safe. Create a file history backup or a system restore point now. Once done, plug in your PC and connect to a stable network. Do not use a metered connection because updates can be large. Next, open Start, choose Settings, then Update and Security, and enter Windows Update. You're in the right place. From here, you'll check for updates and control download behavior, so make sure you follow the next steps carefully. You should click Check for Updates and watch the list of important and optional items as they appear. Once updates are listed, allow downloads to start. They usually run in the background, but make sure to schedule restarts if you're in the middle of work. If an update fails, run the Windows Update troubleshooter and free up at least 10% disk space. Sometimes uninstalling recently added apps that conflict with installs will clear the error. Keep monitoring until download completes. You proceed to install available updates, and when prompted, pick Restart Now or schedule the restart for a convenient time. After reboot, go back to Windows Update and open View Update History to confirm successful installs. Then run a quick system scan and test key apps. If installation repeatedly fails, boot into safe mode to remove drivers or use the media creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade. That one troubleshooting tip: try safe mode or media creation tool, often resolve stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.